Model, 2012 Ford Fiesta Diesel 1.6 TDCi. One owner needs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 104,515. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCi 95 PS DPF ECC. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. It's got a bad oil leak due to the oil filter housing being faulty and leaking. It will need replacing. The engine starts and runs brilliantly. This is a simple bolt-on repair job. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensors, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in